What if I told you that by 2026, the laziest way to make money isn't just a dream, but a reality powered by AI? And the best part? You can start today, even as a complete beginner. Stick around, because I'm about to break down a method that requires minimal effort but has massive potential. Forget complex coding or needing a PhD. In data science, we're talking about something much simpler: AI-powered niche content creation. Think about it. Every day, people are searching for super specific things online. Best dog food for a picky chihuahua, vegan keto recipes for busy moms, or how to fix a leaky faucet under the kitchen sink. These are called niche topics, and the demand is endless. Here's where the lazy part comes in. In 2026, AI tools will be so advanced they can do almost all the heavy lifting for you. Your job is simply to be the director, the idea person. You'll use AI to identify profitable, low-competition niches. There are already tools that analyze search trends, but in a couple of years, we'll be able to pinpoint hyper-specific, untapped markets with incredible accuracy. Once you have your niche, say, indoor gardening for small apartments, you won't be writing the articles or making the videos yourself. No. Oh, you'll use a new generation of AI content creators. You'll give the AI a prompt like create a 5-minute video script on the 3 best lot light plants for a studio apartment. With a friendly and encouraging tone, the AI will generate the script, suggest visuals, and even create a voiceover. There will even be AI video editors that can assemble the whole thing for you from stock footage. So what's your role in all this? You're the strategist. You find the niche, you generate the content ideas, and you oversee the AI's output. Now, how do you make money? There are several ways. First, advertising revenue. As your videos or blog posts get views, you earn money from ads. Second, affiliate marketing. In your content about indoor gardening, you can include links to pots, soil, and plants on Amazon. When someone buys through your link, you get a commission. It's a perfect fit. The third and most profitable method is creating your own digital product. After building an audience, you can use AI to help you create an ebook, like the Ultimate Guide to Apartment Gardening or a short online course. The AI can help you outline it, write it, and even design the cover. You're leveraging your audience's trust to sell them a high-value product that the AI helped you build for a fraction of the time and cost. The key to this lazy method is starting now. The AI tools of 2026 will be powerful, but the people who succeed will be the ones who understand the fundamentals today. Start by learning the basics. Play around with current AI writing tools. Start a small YouTube channel or a blog about a hobby you enjoy. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to start. Learn how to find keywords and understand what people are searching for. By the time 2026 rolls around, you'll have a huge head start. While everyone else is just discovering these tools, you'll already have an established presence and a system in place. You'll be the one effortlessly scaling your AI-powered media empire from your couch, while others are still trying to figure out how to write their first prompt. This isn't about being lazy in a bad way. It's about being smart and leveraging the most powerful tools available. The future of work is changing, and the laziest, smartest workers will be the ones who win. So, what are you waiting for? The laziest, most futuristic side hustle is right at your fingertips. Start learning, start experimenting, and get ready for 2026. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more ideas on how to thrive in the age of AI. See you in the next one.